So next, proceed tayo sa independent event or yung ating theorem number 14. So yung tapos na tayo sa theorem 10, 11, 12, 13. Then yung sa ating theorem number 13 or conditional probability, yun ay dependent event. So pag sinabi nating dependent event, nakadepende or umaasa. Kaya nga A given B or B given A. Then kapag naman independent event, so ito yon, two events A and B are independent. So kayang mag-isa, so ibig sabihin hindi na nakadepende si A sa B at si B sa A. Kaya ang formula lang natin, probability ng A intersect B is equal to probability ng A multiply sa probability ng B. So pag multiply lang natin yung probability kapag theorem number 14 or independent event. So for example, suppose that we have a fuse box containing 20 fuses, of which 5 are defective. If 2 fuses are selected at random and removed from the box in succession without replacing the first, so what is the probability that both fuses are defective? So sa box natin, 5 yung defective. Ang total niya is 20. So kung rarandom tayo ng dalawang fuses dun sa box, ano yung probability na parehas nating mabubunot yung fuses na defective? So, ibig sabihin, yung probability ng, for example, event A natin ay para sa, yung event A natin para sa first fuse and event B para sa second fuse. So, anong probability natin na mabubunot natin yung unang defective na fuse? So, kung meron tayong 5 defective fuses, ibig sabihin, ang probability niya, 5, divide sa total na 20. Then, kung nabunot na natin yung unang defective fuse, ano naman yung probability para sa second fuse natin? So, ibig sabihin, kung nabunot na natin, mababawasan na yung 5. 4 na lang yung natitira. Then, ang total, syempre, hindi na rin 20 kasi nabawas mo na yung isa. Kaya, 4/19. So, ang ating probability ng A intersect B is equal to 5/20 multiply natin sa 4/19. So, yung answer natin, multiply lang natin, equal to 1/19 or 0.05. So, yan yung ating answer. So, halimbawa, for example, what is the probability 3 fuses are defective? So, ibig sabihin, magdadagdag ka lang ng isa pa, probability ng para sa third fuse, na ang kanyang probability ay 3/18. Kung gusto mo naman ay na 5 yung what is the probability na 5 yung nabubunutin ay lahat ay defective, so ganun 5/20 times 4/19 times 3/18 times 2/17 times 1/16. So yung probability na yun yung kanyang sagot. Then halimbawa naman, if 2 fuses are selected at random and removed from the box in succession with replacing the first, so kapag nabunot na yung halimbawa, yung sa first na draw dun sa fuse, ibinalik pagka nabunot, ibig sabihin, ang probability ng A natin, 5/20, then ang probability ng B natin is 5/20 pa din. Kaya ang magiging sagot kapag with replacing, halimbawa with replacing, 5 divide 20 times 5/20 is 1/16 or 0.06. Yun ang ating answer. Pero since sinabi na without replacing the first, kailangan iba na yung probability natin ng second na drawn dun sa box. So next, example, a small town has 1 fire engine and 1 ambulance available for emergencies. The probability that the fire engine is available when needed is 98% and the probability that the ambulance is available when called is 92%. In the event of an injury resulting from a burning building, find the probability that the both ambulance and the fire engine will be available, assuming they operate independently. So ano yung probability natin ng available yung ambulance and fire engine, or A intersect F? Gagawin lang natin is probability ng A or ng ambulance multiply sa probability ng ambulance multiply sa probability ng fire engine. Dito natin ang ambulance. Ang ambulance natin is 92% or 0.92. Then ang sa fire engine naman is 0.98. So 0.92 times 0.98. So ano yung answer natin? So 0.9016 or 0.90 or 90%. So yun yung ating answer. So halimbawa naman, ang tinanong ay find the probability that both ambulance and fire engine will not be available. Halimbawa, ano yung probability na hindi available yung ambulance at fire engine? So, ibig sabihin, ang kukunin mo muna ay yung probability na hindi available yung ambulance and fire engine. Hindi mo gagawin na 1 minus 0.9016, yun yung probability. Kailangan mong kunin yung A complement. Ang A complement natin na hindi available yung ambulance is 0.08. Then, ang F complement naman natin, hindi available si fire engine is 0.02. So, para makuha yung probability na hindi available yung ambulance at fire engine is 0.08 multiply sa 0.02. So, ang answer natin is 0.0016 or 1.6 times 10 to the negative 3. So, yan. Or 1 over 625. So, yun yung ating answer kapag tinanong yung probability na hindi available yung fire engine and ambulance. So, proceed tayo sa theorem number 15, the product rule. So, kapag naman theorem number 15, ito, yan yung formula natin. So, mahirap intindihin pag mga dito yung formula. Pero, mas madali kapag nandun sa example. So, sinasabi lang niya na A sub 1 intersect A sub 2 intersect A sub 3 up to A sub k. Pero kalimitan naman hanggang 3 lang na event. So, yan, probability ng A sub 1 times probability ng A sub 2 given A sub 1 times probability ng A sub 3 given A sub 1 intersect A sub 2. For example, 3 cards are drawn in succession without replacement from an ordinary deck of playing cards. So, find the probability that event A sub 1 intersect A sub 2 intersect A sub 3 occurs where A sub 1 is the event that the first card is a red 2, A2 is the event that the second card is a jack or a queen, and A3 is the event that the third card is greater than 5 but less than 9. So, kunin muna natin yung mga probability. Sabi, yung event A1 natin ay first red 2. So, ilan ba yung red 2 natin dun sa ating deck of card na 52 cards? So, meron tayong heart at saka diamond. So, ibig sabihin 2 over 52. So, sabi dito without replacement. So, kapag without replacement, kung nabunot mo na yung isang red 2, ibig sabihin yung A sub 2 natin, probability ng A sub 2. So, sabi dito, event that the second card is a jack or a queen. Ilan ba yung ating jack? Meron tayong 4 na jack. Yung isang jack na heart, diamond, spade, and flower. Then, ganun din yung queen. So, ibig sabihin, 4 times 2 ay 8. 8. Then, kung nabunot mo na sa una yung red 2, 51 na lang yung ating denominator. Then, sa A3 naman, ang sabi sa A3 ay card daw ay greater than 5 but less than 9. Ano ba yung mga card na yon? 6, 7, at 8. So, yung 6, 7, at 8, tiga-apat na baraha. So, 4 times 3, so 12 over 50. So, yan. Ibig sabihin yung ito, copy natin. Mahirap maglagay ng intersection. Yan. Ang probability niyan is equal to 2 over 52 multiply sa 8 over 51 multiply sa 12 over 50. O, ang answer natin, 2 over 52 times 8 over 51 times 12 over 50. So, 8 over 5525. So, yung decimal natin is 1.44 times 10 to the negative 3 or 0.0014. Yun yung ating answer dito sa example. The next, theorem number 16 is for total probability. If events B sub 1, B sub 2 up to B sub k constitute a partition of the sample space S such that probability na B sub I is not equal to 0 for I is equal to 1, 2 up to k, then for any event A of S, ito yung ating formula, kukunin lang natin yung summation kapag total probability. Kaya nga sabi ay total. Summation ng B sub I intersect A, or ito yon, probability ng B sub I multiply sa probability ng A given B sub I. Sabi ko nga, kung dito nyo titingnan, mahirap siyang maintindihan. Pero pag doon na sa example, madali lang. So, kagaya nitong example, tanggalin muna natin to. Yan. In a certain assembly plan, 3 machine B sub 1, B sub 2, and B sub 3 make 30%, 45%, and 25% respectively of the product. It is known from the past experience that 2%, 3%, and 2% of the product made by each machine respectively are defective. So suppose that a finished product is randomly selected. So what is the probability that it is defective? So pag mga ganyan, probability ng defective is equal to, kunin lang natin yung ito. So, madali lang naman to. 30% or 0.3 kay B1. Then, imumultiply lang natin dito sa defective. 0.3 times 0.02 plus, yun naman, 0.45 multiply sa 0.03 dahil kay machine B sub 2 plus ito, 25% or 0.25 multiply sa 0.02. So, yan na. Yan na yung ating total probability. Kukunin lang natin yung summation. 0.3 times 0.02 plus 0.45 times 0.03 plus 0.25 times 0.02. Answer natin is 49 over 2,000 or 0.0245. So, yan yung ating total probability or probability na siya ay defective yung product. So, proceed tayo dito sa last theorem for module 1.3 and 1.4, yung ating basic concept of probability. So, ito yun. If events B sub 1, B sub 2 up to B sub k constitute a partition of sample space S, so ganun din. So, itong tinatawag, yung ating theorem 17, tinatawag siyang based rule. So, ito, kailangan alam niyo yung sa theorem 16 kasi gagamitin natin yung theorem 16 dito sa theorem number 17. Kung makikita nyo, ito, yung denominator niya ay theorem 16. So, parang sa theorem 17, yung kinukuha yung specific na probability. Then, sa theorem number 17 yon. Then, sa theorem number 16 naman ay yung general na probability. So for example dito, ito yung ating example. Refer to the last example. If a product was chosen randomly and found to be defective, what is the probability that it was made by machine B3? So machine B3 yung may defective. So B3 yung may defective is equal to, ang kukunin nyo lang ay yung kay machine B sub 3. So, balikan natin yung example dito. Alin ba dito yung machine B sub 3? Ito, 25% yung kanyang napoproduce, then meron siyang 2% na defective. So, yun yung iyong numerator. 0.25 times 0.02. Yan yung iyong numerator. So, ano ang iyong denominator? Ang denominator mo ay yung total probability o yung sa theorem 16. Kakopy mo lang to or yung ang sagot natin is ito 0.0245. So, copy natin. Yan. So, yan yung ating solution. Ibig sabihin yung probability na yung defective ay galing kay B sub 3 is 0.25 times 0.02 divide 0.0245 equal to 0.2041 or 20.41%. So, yan yung ating answer. So, kunin din natin yung kay B1 at B2. Machine B1 at B2. So, pag machine B1, ano ang probability na galing sa kanya? Sa machine B1 yung defective. So, check ulit natin dito. 30% tsaka yung production niya din may defective siya na 2%. So, 0.3 times 0.02 over 0.0245. Itong 0.0245, ito yung total probability natin. Yun na lang inilagay ko. Yan. Then, answer natin. Check natin. Calculator, 0.3 times 0.02 divide 0.0245. 24.49%. So, yan yung probability na manggagaling yung defective kay B sub 1. Then, kunin natin yung kay B sub 2 or machine B sub 2. Ang production ng machine B sub 2 is 45%, then 3% yung kanyang defective. So, ibig sabihin, 0.45 times 0.03 i-divide natin sa 0.0245. 0.45 times 0.03 over 0.0245 is 55.10%. Yan. Yan. Yan yung ating mga probability which is equal to 100%. Meaning, kung i-analyze natin yung problem, kita mo na agad na kay machine B sub 2, possible lang galing yung defective. Kasi mas mataas yung probability niya ng defective compared dun sa dalawang machine na B1 and B3. Kaya machine B sub 2 yung ating so yan, machine B sub 2 yung ating pwedeng pinanggalingan ng defective. So, yun lang yung ating topic and ito ng basic concept of probability. So, ito yung tapos din ng module 1 natin. So, next na is yung module 2 natin, yung the discrete distribution.